So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put 2 or 3 indicators on one indicator window like this on your laptop. This is because if you want to get one of the best successful strategies on synthetic indices, then you need to learn this tactic. And if you want to learn the strategy that I use to get high probability trades using this same strategy, make sure to keep watching because I'm going to plug that video later on in this video. For example, you could have placed your trade right here and then you could have made money with all this move that you can see right here, and there's a lot of examples that you can get. So let me show you how to put these indicators on an indicator window like this. So if you're a struggling trader and you just want to make money in the market, then I have some good news for you. Okay, you see, this Saturday we are running a workshop where I'm going to be teaching you everything that I know and all the mistakes that I have made in the past so that you can avoid them and become profitable in the market. The good thing is, if you join that workshop today, you can join for free. Check out the link in the description or the pinned comments. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on view. Once you click on view, you want to click on navigator. So the navigator is something that is going to show you all the indicators and the expert advisors that you can access on MetaTrader, right? So once you open this window right here, what you want to do is you want to go to indicators. There's a drop down menu. If you click this arrow, you're going to see all the indicators dropping like this. So once they do that, you are going to go to trend and then you are going to find the first indicator, right? So the first indicator, I'm going to go to oscillators, and then I'm going to go to MACD, and then I'm going to double click on the MACD. I will start with the MACD because the MACD will open on a separate window, and then we have the default settings. You can change this to any colors that you want, and then you click OK. Now I have the MACD that have opened on the indicator window. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to add a moving average on top of this MACD right here. So what do? I just go to trend again, to indicators, go to trend, and then find the moving average. Now instead of double clicking the moving average, I'm going to drag it and drop on top of the MACD. I do this because if you double click, it's gonna go to the main window. So you drag and drop on top of the MACD, and then you change the settings. I'm just going to change this to 3, color to black, and then shift 0, exponential, then apply to previous indicators data. This is very important, and then you click OK. Now you can see that the moving average have gone on top of the MACD, which allows us to get some of the trades where we have a crossover like this right here, right? So if you have a crossover in the market, you will be able to place buy trades and sell trades based on these crossovers, right? Now we want to add one more indicator that makes this strategy profitable. So this indicator, what you want to do is you want to go to trends and then you find the Bollinger Bands, right? So here's the Bollinger Bands. You don't double click. All you have to do is click and drag on top of these 2 indicators right there. Once we do this, we are going to change the period to 100, deviation to 1.5, and then apply to first indicators data, which is applying on top of the MACD, not the moving average. And then you can change the colors to whatever you want right here. So in this case, I'm just going to leave mine as green, and then I'm just going to click OK. So once you do this, you are going to see that now we have the Bollinger Bands in green, we have the MACD, and then we have the moving average, right? So all you have to do now is you can start placing your trades, right? So to place your trades here, I'm going to show you the full strategy in this video appearing on the screen right here.